let's see the ingredients required for Ada or Adai. So this is boiled rice, idli rice. Idli rice, this is 1 cup or 1 tumbler, which we call in Tamil. So, and this is half cup of mixed dal. So this is first one is Bengal gram dal, the next one is tur dal, and the other one is urad dal. So this is half the quantity of the rice. So add this to the rice and wash all of this rice and dals together till the water is clear, and soak for at least 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours will be correct. Okay, now let's go wash the rice and dal. So these are the dals and the rice washed well together, and now add red chillies according to taste before soaking in water, and this is jeera or cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon roughly, and now add water to soak. Yeah. Yes. Now let it soak for 2 hours. So let's meet after 2 hours. So this is the soaked dal and rice. This is the bowl of soaked dal and rice along with the cumin seeds and red chilies. So here's the mixie ready. So grind it into a coarse paste. So that's it. So we will spoon it into the mixie. So this is the ground Ada mixture, Ada batter, Adai batter. Not Ada, it is Adai. Absolutely nutritious and power packed with all the proteins. So what we need to add, one essential thing is namak, salt to taste. Yeah, mix it, mix thoroughly. And then comes hing or Asaefotida. Yes, and then mix. While making the Ada or Adai, we can add curry leaves and onions, finely chopped onions. So now let's add onions. Yeah. vegetables that I added for the avial. Adai-Avial is a great combination, so these are the vegetables for the avial. So carrots, beans, this is white pumpkin, yellow pumpkin, and this is yam. So you can add other vegetables like drumstick, snake gourd, or anything else that suits your palate. Potatoes, peas. So basically these are the ingredients. That is, you add some root vegetables and you add some green vegetables. So today I added all these. So cut them into juliennes. So that's important. The cutting part is very important. So, and then we'll go to the boiling stage next. Cooked. So just close with the lid and then simmer the flame. So now these are the vegetables in a kadai, in a thick, this is a thick stainless steel kadai. Yeah. And into this will go water. Not much water, because remember, some vegetables are those that contain a lot of water, like white pumpkin. So take care. Yeah, just maybe some more water. Yeah. So can you see? Yeah. So now we'll boil this till the vegetables are just done. Okay. Let's open this. Yeah. Yeah. So they are cooked well, not mushy, just right. So actually we can drain some of the water. So no harm, we can use it for soup or for rasam. So we can drain the water, and then let's see the next stage. Now let us look at the things that are required for the avial. So this is 1 cup, that is one part of coconut, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 chillies, and this is rice flour for the binding, or you can even use soaked rice, and this is cumin seeds or jeera. So we need to grind all this together to a paste. So let's do that. So in goes the salt. So into this kadai of boiled vegetables, let's add the ground paste, coconut, jeera, and the rice flour along with the green chilies. Let's add this. Yeah. So allow everything to come to a boil. So this is the avial ready without the curd. So in goes the curd, or the beaten curd. Yes. The flame is off now, so just mix it. Yeah. Yummy. Take care not to break the veggies. So this is coconut oil heated well. So I've switched off the flame, and now Add the curry leaves carefully. Yes. Yeah. Toss it lightly.